how to add cookie concepts to Webflow. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add cookie concepts to Webflow. So how do you do this? The first thing to do is to log in into your Webflow account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, the next thing to do is to select your site, the site that you want to add cookie concept to. Once you select the site by clicking on Open Designer, you'll be directed to another page. Once this page loads, you'll be directed or taken automatically to your site page. Now, this is your site, and then from here, the next thing for you to notice that you'd have to upgrade your account from the free version to the paid version. This is because for you to be able to add a cookie concept to your Webflow, you have to be on the paid version of Webflow. So ensure you upgrade. Once you've upgraded, move to your web browser and then open a new tab. Once you've opened a new tab, type out elfsite.com and then create an account. Once an account has been created, you will take it to the catalogs page, as you can see on my screen. Then by the right side of the screen, you will see a search bar. Type cookie concept. Then once you type out cookie concepts, you'll be taken to a page where you'll be asked to choose a template. Okay, so once you do that, you would be taken it to the template page. Just select the template. Okay, do you want a top banner, center floating, left floating, right floating? Then click on continue with this template. Once you're done, then edit the template the way you want here, and then click on publish by the top right corner of the screen. So once you're done, select a plan depending on what you can afford. Once your plan has been selected, your um your code will be created. Click on copy code and then go back to your site. Then click on the plus element icon. In the box displayed, scroll down until you see advanced. Then click on embed, and then once you click on embed, long press on it and drag it and drop it on the page. Once you drop it on the page, a box will be displayed. In the box displayed, a space will be made available. Paste the code you have copied, and once you paste it, after some seconds, the cookie concept will be added automatically to the site. It is that simple. I cannot show you practically because I am still using the free version of Webflow. But for you, you'll be able to drag and paste it just like I have said. So go ahead and try this out today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.